Hello, I will show you how to create update form. Go to Layout, click on Insert Div Tag, and start type here. And next, go to Forms, click on Form, and go to Command and Insert Table. Rows is 6 and columns is 2. Click OK. First is for user ID. Go to Forms and drag the text field and edit the properties for this text field. Text field name is ID. Next is for username. Drag the text field and edit the properties for this text field. Text field name is username. Next is for password. And drag the text field and edit the properties and click on the radio button for password. Next is for first name. Drag the text field properties for this text field. Text field name is first name. Next is for last name. Drag the text field and edit the properties for this text field. Name the text field to last name. And next is for email. Drag the text field again. Click OK. And edit the properties. Text field name is email. And now you will need a button. Go to Forms and click on Button. OK. And edit the properties for this button. Change the value to update. Action is submit form. And save your file. Go to File, click Save, and rename the file. Mine is update user.php. Save. And now go to Bindings and click on the plus sign button and choose Record Set Query. Choose the connection is TMX. Table is from register and click OK. And drag ID to ID. Username to username. Password to password. First name to first name. Last name to last name. And email to email. Next, go to server behaviors. Click on the plus sign button and click on update record. Choose the connection, which is TMX. Update table is register. And after updating, go to admin edit.php and click OK. Save your file.